once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, we're making a really simple, it's really simple, but absolutely delicious rigatoni or pasta of your choice. Tuna, olive, cream sauce, delicious. Let's go. Okay, let's take a look here. Canned or tin tuna, onions, olives, I'm using black, you could be using green if you wanted. I've taken the stones out. It's a little bit of frozen peas there. Garlic, smoked paprika, gives a lovely flavour. Dried oregano or oregano, or you could be using some other dried Italian type thing if you want. And then the cream. This is what we call, my side of the world, a thick cooking cream, but you can be using a single type runny cream or a thicker half and half, I think you guys in the States call it, or whatever. I'll put some notes below about that. That's going to make up our sauce. Get your pasta cooked. I'm using this kind of larger type rigatoni. We're going to start this off with a touch of olive oil, add a bit of salt and pepper. It'll be done. Okay, so you're going to need a pan of some sort, or like mine using my wok. I've got some olive oil in there. We're going to start off by dropping in our onion. Now I've cut my onion really quite small. You can slice it if you want. Some garlic chopped. There's like sort of 2 or 3 cloves there. We're now going to add in that little bit of smoked paprika, which is really delicious. If you can get that, it really makes a big difference. And that dried herb of your choice, oregano or oregano. But like I say, you can get one of those kind of Italian type mixed things or try something else. Let's get some salt there. Let's get some black pepper in. And then I'm going to add in my olives. These are a really delicious olive. I'm going to try one right now. I'm taking the stones out, but really super. Okay, on this kind of above medium heat, let's throw this around in the pan for 2 to 3 minutes. We've just got a little bit of colour on there. That smoked paprika already is booming out of this. Okay, we're now going to add in our canned tuna. Now I like to use canned tuna, excuse me, canned tuna that's kept in oil, like an olive oil. I just find that just a bit nicer. We're now going to add in those few frozen garden peas or green peas. And again, on this fairly vigorous heat, let's go 3-4 minutes, stirring pretty much all the time. Wonderful, really fast this one, I'll tell you, but really tasty. Now if you wanted maybe a few anchovies in the mix or some capers will really work nicely. Okay, it's cream time. In goes our cream, like I say, our cooking cream we call it. But you can be using any type of cream you like, quite frankly. We're still on this heat, fairly vigorous. If you wanted to, you could be adding a little bit of parmesan in here, but I don't really fancy cheese. I don't usually put cheese in with fish, but that's your choice. Keep it moving here, and then simply let's go in with our pasta. And you just change spoons. And while this heat is still running through it, spoon our sauce on, in and through our rigatoni or the pasta of your choice you've got there. And we're pretty much done. I hope you enjoyed that. Nice, quick, easy, beautiful, creamy tuna pasta. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we will see you soon. Lots of love.